This next model that we're going to be looking at is located at brasstrains.com. Its item number is 067126. This is an HO scale model from Key Imports, built by Sam Hongsa. This Key model is a Pennsylvania 462 Pacific Streamline model. It has a very nice custom paint job. It has an operating headlight, some very good in-cab detail, and runs on a CAN motor, which we're now about to demonstrate how it runs. Again, this model is located on brasstrains.com and is item number 067126.